guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something super exciting, which is like super awesome, and I can't wait to share it with you. I got my first PR package, so that means all of this product was free and sent to me to review, but I just wanted to give you kind of like an overview of how I got it and just, you know, all the details surrounding this. So there's this app called Influenster. And so I downloaded it and I just filled out a few surveys of like my life, what I'm into, which I obviously put like makeup and health and stuff. And then I had to fill out a pre-survey. So I did that, and then they told me they were sending me a box. So this box, I think it's called the Fall for Campus. Hold on, let me double check. Oh, the Fresh for Campus box. So they gave me a little pamphlet with all this stuff, and I thought I would just show you what I got because there's one thing in here that I absolutely love. So yeah, I'll just show you guys the stuff and we'll go through it. So I'll start with like my favorite thing, which is this Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil. It is a shimmery body lotion. So this is clean beauty, which I love. On the side it says there's no like phthalates or parabens and all that stuff, which I tried to avoid, but I know it's like a personal choice, so you can either choose to use them or not. It reminds me of, there's this brand called, it's like Rio, oh my gosh, it is escaping me. I'll just put a picture of it up here. And it is a shimmery body cream, but it wasn't clean beauty, so I had to get rid of it. And this reminds me so much of it. It smells exactly like it. Ugh, it smells so good. Oh, and by the way, I wasn't like told I had to make this video. I thought it was super cool to show you guys like me getting PR, so it's not like this was like sponsored or anything weird. Dropping my pamphlet. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of share with you how I got free products in case you guys want to do it too, because I don't think you need like a strong base. Like I only have 90 subscribers now and I got the free stuff. So yeah, the next thing I got was the Dickinson's Enhanced with Witch Hazel Deep Cleansing Astringent, which is like these are all like full size, by the way, which is crazy. So this I'm gonna give to my boyfriend because it will probably solve his skin concerns that he has. It says it dissolves oil, extracts dirt, clears pores, it cools and refresh. Now I have the Herbivore Witch Hazel and green tea spray that I use. So this might be like a drugstore dupe for it. It does have alcohol, but not that many ingredients. Natural distilled witch hazel. Oh, the alcohol is in the witch hazel. Polysorbate, fragrance, eucalyptol, menthol, and camphor. So I'm gonna give this to my boyfriend and see if he likes it. Yeah, the next thing I got was this Tone Brazilian Glam body wash. Now this stuff smelled amazing. Oh my god, it's not clean beauty, so I'm not going to use it. I'm gonna give it to my boyfriend's sister. Actually, she was looking for a body wash and I was like, wait, just wait, I have one for you. But it smells so good. If they made this a clean formula, 100% I would use it. This smells exactly like that cream I was just talking about. This like kind of smells like it because it's coconutty and tropical, but this like is a dupe for that smell. So good. So I got two more things in the box. This is gonna be like a super short video, by the way. It's not gonna be super long and intensive, but I got this Super Lustrous The Gloss from Revlon. Now this is a bright pink shade and it's not really me. So I'm gonna give this to my boyfriend's sister. Whoa. That is pigmented. That's crazy. Doesn't smell like anything, which is good. So there's that. And then the last thing they gave me was this little Smashcrispy marshmallow rice treats and strawberries and cream. And I am currently on a specific diet where I'm not eating processed sugar, so I'm not gonna eat this or added sugars. And I'm not saying, little PSA, this doesn't mean you can't eat this and still have a healthy diet. It's just personally, I don't wanna eat it right now. So I don't wanna, you know, tell somebody not to eat a treat because you guys are allowed to have treats. Literally part of a healthy diet still. I just don't want this. So what we're gonna do is mildly annoy my boyfriend because that's super fun, and I'm going to make him eat this and tell me what it tastes like. So we'll get a little review. We'll have a little boyfriend montage. All right, let's go. Babe. Babe. I don't know where he went. Nick. Is he outside? Okay, so my boyfriend is not here right now, but once he gets back, I'm gonna make him try the snack. So we'll be waiting for him. I'm waiting for the boyfriend, I can't going to die. We'll switch out the battery first. Are you ready for your stardom?
What am I doing?
I need a review. I need an honest opinion.
Is it supposed to be healthy or is it?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Packaging?
Yeah, they could do better, right?
No, the packaging is actually fine. It just
It's strawberries.
looks like a strawberry with some sort of topping.
It looks interesting.
So the texture of a Rice Krispie is just not there.
Mm-hmm.
Like, there needs to be more marshmallow, but it's very good.
Great, love that. Are you gonna finish it or are you gonna throw it away?
Well, me, I don't really like a lot of strawberries, so... It's actually good.
Great,
I'll
thank you
finish
for
it.
your honest review. Yes. What do you need? Are you sure? Okay. He secretly loves being on camera. He won't admit it though. All right, yeah, so that's what I got for my first PR package. Yes, girl. Let's get more. Brand, send me more. Make me famous. Okay, so just so you guys know, I'll show you exactly what I did to get this. Obviously, download the app, blah, blah, blah. And then there's things called snaps, which you just literally click on them. Let me see if I can open it. Get started. So there's things called snaps, and it's going to take a moment. Hold on. So I just click a category. I don't know which one that was, but it's gonna ask you questions about that category. This one I guess is like household stuff. And you could like say which categories you want, and I just did a bunch of reviews for makeup. That's all I did, bunch of reviews, and literally that was enough to get me the box. So if you guys want free stuff and want to, I don't know, try this out, then yeah, give it a go. Again, not sponsored, just thought I'd give you guys some free options because I know I do a lot of hauls on here, and I'm trying to do some stuff that costs me no money instead of spending a bunch of money. So yeah. All right, guys. I love you all. This has been fun, and we are so close to 100 subscribers. We might have already hit it by the time I post this because this is going up very soon in a couple of days. But yeah, so thank you for watching and hanging out with me today, and don't forget to comment and like and subscribe and show me some love. And all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.